Hello, welcome to online class of computer. This is Mansi Mukherjee ma'am, your computer teacher. Today we will do the revision of chapter 1. But before that, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel and keep posting your comments, your queries. Let's begin our today's session.
Let's begin our revision of chapter 1 number system. So class 7, a quick recapitulations of the difficult terms of this chapter, right? First is, what is number system? You all know what is number system. Number systems are the technique to represent the number in the computer system architecture. Every value that you are saving or getting from the computer memory as defined as number system. Now what is that? This is a definition, right? So how to understand this? See, suppose I am writing number in the computer system, right? It will change that number which I have written in alphabetical. Computer will not understand English language. That it will change in the format of 0 and 1, that we all know, and it will show the output in format of 0 and 1 again, and that you will not understand. So that will again converted into decimal number system or in a human understandable language. So what is number system? That govern all these systems, that govern all this process is done with number system, right? In this we have encountered with the base, right? Another name of base is radix. Total number of digits available in a particular number system. Total digit. A quick recapitulation. Binary number system base is 2. Octal number system base is 8. Decimal, all the digits are there. You can refer this. 10. Decimal is 10, that human understand. And hexadecimal 16, right? Binary, octal and hexadecimal, these are understandable by computer, and decimal are understandable by humans. But my dear students, computers only work on binary number system, right? Now one question occurs to me. Our work is fine with binary and decimal. Binary number system computer understands 0 and 1 format. Decimal number system we understand. So we can work with that. So why there is a need of octal and hexadecimals? Let's understand this. Need of octal and hexadecimal. The main benefit of octal number system is that it uses less digit than the decimal. Of course there are 8 digits, right? So it has a fewer computations and less computational error. Of course, if the less digits are there, we have to work with the less number of digits and the error possibility will be less. It uses only 3 bits to represent any digit. You know, 3 bit, I just show you. Octal, suppose this one is there. This is a number. This is what? 3-bit number. Fine. So conversions are easy, right? I have already explained you how 3, this is what? 1, 2, 3. The 3 digits are there. So it is called 3-bit representation. Binary representation of any octal number, right? Now we understand why we need octal. Because of less computational error, less digits are there. Now what hexadecimal use? One thing, computer do not use hexadecimal number system, but it is human friendly and it uses 4-bit digits, right? Let me show you 4-bit what I mean. 0. See here, 4 digits are there now. So this is 4-bit binary, right? In hexadecimal format. This is a representation of 0. Now I'll show you one representation. See, 1 is there. So how it is represent? My dear student, please pay attention. 4-bit representation. Fine. This is this way. Now we will do some conversion decimal to binary. Let's learn some conversions that we have already done, but from your comments I realize that conversion is little bit tricky to you, right? Although it's not tricky, it's very easy once you get it. So please, I just convert 63. 63 is a decimal number. I will be converting 63 to binary because our computer understands binary. Actually octal and hexadecimal, you can say कि it's a easier way to reach to the binary, but if root level we understand, the computer understand binary language only, right? So let's convert this 63. We have to divide this 63 with prime factorization with 2 only. I have so many times I have told you why 2, because 2 is a binary representation. 2 is the base of binary representation, right? So dividing 63 by 2, we got 31. Fine. Let's understand it very carefully, my dear students. So if we divide this, the remainder will be 1. We have to write the remainder over here, right? Then again divide 31 by 2 only. Only 2 will be selected. 15 2s are 32. Now again 2 7s are 14. Remainder will be 1. Right? Whatever the remainder will come, you have to write. Again, let's divide. 2 3s are 6. Remainder will be 1. Again, 2 1s are 2. Remainder will be 1. Now see, till we get a 1 over here, we will keep on dividing this. Now, this is what? MSD, most significant digit. We will start writing the number from here, right? This is what? MSD, most significant digit. And what is this? LSD, least significant digit. So we will start writing our number from here, right? First we will write this one, then this one, next one, 1 2 4 5 6 ones are there, so we will write 6 ones, okay? And then enclose it with, and then write 2 at the base. Why 2? This is the binary representation of what? 63. Am I clear? Am I clear with my words? So my dear students, this is what? The binary representation of a decimal number 63. The thing is, you have to just divide the given number with 2. Do the prime factorization. This you have done in class, junior classes. And so the trick is this: the moment you got the one, that you will consider MSD, and from here you will start writing the number. From bottom you will start writing the number and move upward. Clear? And this is what? LSD, least significant digit. Now I can hope your doubts are much more clear, right? We have done all the things about number systems. Let's discuss some interesting fact about the number system, decimal number system that we are using. You know why we are using decimal number system? Because it is in our favor. Humans have 5 fingers on each hand, right? 10 fingers. And just think, decimal number system has 10 digit, right? So it is easier for us to count the number systems. That is why we have adopted decimal number system. Is it interesting? Have you ever tried relating this key? You have having 10 fingers, that is why we are using decimal number system. And you know, since thousands years ago this number system has been invented. And another name of decimal number system is Hindu-Arabic numeral. So I hope this interesting fact also seems interesting to you and you enjoy this session. Thank you. Have a nice day.